Welcome to Bodygraph.com. In this short video, we'll walk you through how to use the platform and show you how to get the most out of it, whether you're running a human design or astrology school or building a business around it. To get started, visit Bodygraph.com and click the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, just click Start Free Trial to set up your account. Once you enter your login details, you'll land on the home screen. Here, you'll see a set of quick action widgets to help you navigate the platform easily. Let's go through the main features, one by one. First up, statistics. This section shows how your charts and reading reports are performing. It's great for tracking what's been generated, shared, or embedded. I'll come back to this later and walk you through the details, once you've seen how the chart system works. Let's start by integrating a chart into your website. To do that, click on Integrate Chart in the left-hand menu. This opens your chart dashboard, where you'll see how many charts you've created. You can view them in either a gallery or list format. By default, you'll see one human design chart already set up. Let's go ahead and create a new one. Click the Create New button. I'll name this one Astro Chart as an example. Next, choose the chart type. In this case, I'm selecting Astrology. You'll also see extra options here, where you can allow your website visitors to switch between different chart types, like astrology, traditional human design, mandala, relationships, cycle, or transit charts. For now, I'll keep it simple and just stick with the astrology chart. Click Next, and now you'll see your embed code. This is the code you'll need to copy and paste into your website. If you're using platforms like Wix or Podia, make sure to select the correct option. For this demo, I'm using a WordPress site, so I'll choose any platform, copy the code, and paste it directly into my WordPress editor. After saving, we can visit the website to see how it looks. This is just a plain demo site, but the key part is that the embed form now appears. Visitors can enter their name and birth details. There's also an option to include an email address. I'll explain more about that later, but just know you can enable or disable that field depending on your setup. And here it is. The astrology chart is now live on the website. Below the chart, you'll see properties. Each one can be clicked to open a pop-up with more details. All the styling you see here is pulled directly from your website's design. So whatever theme or branding you use, the chart will automatically match your site. Next, I'll show you how to customize the chart's design and content to better match your brand and audience. Before we dive deeper into content and design customization, I want to highlight an important part of the platform: embed code settings. Inside Bodygraph.com, you can create multiple chart designs and languages and integrate various third-party applications. All of these options can be managed directly from the embed code settings, which you'll find right below the embed code under the section labeled Customize Your Embed Code. This is where you control exactly how your chart appears, what it includes, and which features are enabled for your website visitors. You can select the content you want to display, choose the chart design you've created, integrate third-party applications like email platforms or payment systems. You also have the option to let users download a PDF of their chart directly from the page, display digital products like personalized reading reports and audio reports right below the chart properties. This gives you full control over the entire chart experience and how you deliver value to your audience. Now that we've covered the embed code, let's move on to customizing chart content and properties to match your brand and voice. From your main dashboard, click on the My Content menu item. Here you'll see a list of all available languages. The green circles indicate which languages are currently active and being used on your website. Let me show you what's inside each language. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different chart sections you can fully customize: Human Design Chart Content, Mandala Chart, Relationship Chart, Astrology Chart, Frequency Chart, Birth Submission Form, Field Labels and Instructions, Chart Results Page, Call to Action buttons, Digital Product Widgets, Button Text and Display Labels, Email Templates, the emails customers receive after buying your reports. This gives you complete flexibility to make the platform speak in your tone and language. To edit content, you have two options. You can click on each property individually and update the content directly in the platform, or you can download the spreadsheet and edit all the content in one place. Since the Human Design and Astrology chart contains a large amount of information, we recommend using the spreadsheet method for faster and easier editing. Bulk editing with spreadsheets. To make large-scale edits easier, you can download the entire content as a spreadsheet. click the Download Spreadsheet button, and you'll receive a file with several tabs: Human Design Properties, Mandala Properties, Astrology Chart, Relationship Properties, Form Labels, a left-hand column showing the original values, which are locked and cannot be changed, editable columns, highlighted in yellow or orange, where you can write your own descriptions. For example, in the Astrology tab, you'll find items like the Sun, Moon, and Mercury. Just double-click on a yellow cell to write your own explanation in your own words or translate it for your audience. Once you've finished editing the spreadsheet, save the file. Then go back to the Content dashboard and click the Import button. After the import is complete, your custom content will appear in the list, and you'll be able to activate it inside your embed code settings. Now let's move on to customizing the design of your chart. Once your chart is embedded on your website, you're not limited to the default look. You can fully customize the design to reflect your brand, style, and audience. To get started, go to the Chart Design section on the platform. Here you can either choose from your existing designs or click Create New to start from scratch. When you click Create New, you'll see all the different chart types available for customization. On the left-hand menu, you can select the chart type you'd like to customize. You'll see options like Human Design, Traditional, Mandala Chart, Astrology, as well as sections for the birth submission form and the chart results page. Let's go through each chart type and see what you can customize. Human Design Chart. Choose your zodiac system, tropical or sidereal. Select your chart style, different visual shapes. Add a background image behind the chart. Customize colors for channels, gates, centers, and planets. Mandala Chart. Choose your mandala style. Customize colors for all elements. Astrology Chart. Show or hide elements like aspects, Chiron, South Node, and Black Moon. Choose your house system. Adjust orb degrees. Select your zodiac system, tropical or sidereal. Customize chart colors. Birth submission form. In the settings, you can choose to display visitor charts immediately. Split full name into first name and last name. If you've connected a newsletter app, enable the email field to collect addresses. Add a terms and conditions checkbox, set your preferred date format, and of course, customize the form colors. Chart results page. Here you can hide or show arrows, Chiron, or centers. Enable tooltips for centers, showing more info when users hover over them. Change the toolbar colors, and customize the position of your digital products, like reading reports or audio reports, by adjusting their placement inside the report boxes. Make your changes, preview them as needed, and when you're happy with the result, click Save Changes. To display your custom chart design on your website, go to Integrate Chart, select your embed code, and then choose the chart design you've created. Your selected design will be automatically applied to the chart on your website. You can create and manage multiple designs and languages and switch between them directly inside your embed code settings. You can also create multiple embed codes, each with different chart designs, different digital products, different newsletter or CRM integrations, and different languages. This gives you the flexibility to build targeted sales campaigns, landing pages, or marketing funnels, each with its own unique experience. Now let's talk about digital products, specifically reading reports and audio reports, which you can sell or offer as lead magnets. To get started, head to your dashboard and look for two menu items: My Reading Reports, My Audio Reports. Click on My Reading Reports, and you'll see a list of items you can use in two ways: sell them as digital products or offer them as free lead magnets to grow your email list. At the top of the page, you'll find a template library where you can browse pre-built report templates. You can filter them by category, human design, astrology, or frequency. Some templates are free while others are premium. One-time purchase required. Just choose the one you like. Click Install and select your preferred format. You can also preview each template to see what it looks like before installing. Templates are essentially ready-made pages where you can add your own text, images, and branding, making report creation fast and easy. Lead magnets. Lead magnets work just like reading reports, but they're shorter, typically just a few pages. They're ideal for offering a free download in exchange for a visitor's email address. Chart page designs. This section controls how the PDF report appears when a user clicks the download button on the chart results page. Here's a quick preview. When a visitor downloads a chart report, this is the PDF layout they'll see. And yes, you can fully customize the look and design to match your brand. You can also create reports from scratch, assigning page visibility based on specific human design types or astrology placements. For example, if someone is a manifesting generator, you can add content that only shows for that type. You can fully customize the look and feel of your reports with a visual editor similar to Canva. Add shapes, frames, custom graphics, or select from built-in design assets. Design libraries are available for human design, types, channels, gates, astrology, planets, aspects, signs, frequency, gene key style visuals. To save time, you don't need to start from scratch. Just pick a free or premium template, then edit and make it your own. Brand kit. You can also set up a brand kit to keep your designs consistent. Just create a new kit, like my company brand kit, and add your logo, brand colors, and fonts. Once saved, this kit becomes available inside the report editor and applies across all your reports. Report performance tracking. Back in your dashboard, switch to table view to see performance data for each report. Number of downloads or sales, page count, whether it's free or sellable ready to sell. To start selling your reports, you'll need to set up your payment system. Let's walk through how to do that next. How to integrate payments and newsletter applications. To get started, go to My Apps and click Create New. You'll see several integration categories, including newsletter platforms, CRMs, data storage, payments. Step 1. Integrate a newsletter platform. This allows you to collect email addresses when someone generates a chart on your website. Choose your preferred platform, e.g., White Kit, give it a name, and enter your API key and secret key. Follow the on-screen instructions, then click Save. Once completed, go back to My Apps, and you'll see your newsletter integration is now active. Step 2. Integrate a payment platform. Now let's connect a payment system. For example, to integrate PayPal, click Create New, select PayPal, and enter your client ID and secret key. You can also enable test mode to make sure everything functions properly before going live. You can follow the same steps to connect Stripe or other supported payment providers. At this point, you should have at least 2 integrations connected. Collecting emails from chart visitors. Now that your newsletter app is connected, let's make sure you're capturing emails when someone generates a chart. Go to the Design tool, open your chart design under My Designs, and navigate to the Birth Submission Form section. Enable the email field. You can set it as mandatory or optional depending on your needs. You can also enable cookie tracking to prevent asking for the same email multiple times if a visitor generates more than one chart. Want more data? Add a custom field, like a phone number, and decide whether it should be required or optional. Click Save Changes. Refresh your chart page, and you'll see the email field and any additional fields you've added. Final step, connect your embed code to the newsletter app. Once your form includes an email field, head over to your embed code settings and select the newsletter app you've connected. Keep in mind, you can link multiple applications to different embed codes, giving you flexibility for various funnels or campaigns. Next, enabling payments on a report. Once you've set up your PayPal or Stripe integration, you're ready to start selling your reports. Go to the Reading Report section in your dashboard. Find the report you want to sell, click the 3 dots next to it, and select Set Up Payments. Choose your payment method, PayPal, set your price, select the currency, and click Save. That's it. Your report is now ready for purchase. Next dot, setting up automated emails for report delivery. One powerful feature is the ability to automatically send reports via email after a customer purchases or downloads them. Once someone completes their order, whether through PayPal or Stripe, they'll be able to download the report instantly and also receive it via email for their records. To set up automated email delivery, click Set Up Email next to the report you want to configure. The system will handle the email delivery automatically. Need help? Visit our Help Center for full step-by-step guidance through the setup process. Creating audio reports. Let's learn more about how to create audio reports inside Bodygraph.com. In addition to written reports, you can also create and sell personalized audio reports, a powerful way to add a more engaging, personal touch to your offerings. To get started, go to My Audio Tracks and click Create New. Give your audio track a name and upload an MP3 file. You can record it directly on your phone or using any audio tool you're comfortable with. Then link that audio file to a specific chart property. For example, a human design type, gate, or astrology sign. The result is a personalized audio playlist that dynamically plays based on each user's chart. Here's how it looks. Your visitors will see a clean audio player with a playlist, where they can click and listen to the specific content that applies to their chart. And yes, you can fully customize the design of the audio player to match your brand style, just like you would with your chart or report designs. So when someone purchases a report that includes audio, they'll be able to open it and listen directly from the built-in audio player, all within the chart results page. This adds a personal and immersive experience for your customers and sets your offering apart. Now, how to track your sales? Tracking performance with statistics. Now let's look at the statistics section. After doing some testing, you'll be able to see valuable insights like how many people downloaded reports, how many PDFs were accessed, how many reports were sold, and a list of people who generated charts, including their custom field entries. While the demo here shows no data yet, once your users start engaging, this section will fill with real-time insights. And if you've integrated your app, like ConvertKit, MailChimp, or another newsletter tool, this data can also be sent automatically to your connected platform. Everything is categorized and tracked, giving you full visibility into how your content is performing, who's engaging with it, and what's converting best. Bonus features worth exploring. In addition to everything we've covered, there are two more powerful tools inside the platform. Generate Chart Tool. This feature lets you generate charts for your customers, family members, or clients across chart types like Human Design, Mandala, Relationship, Astrology, Transits, Cycles, and more. You can download personalized reading reports for each chart and share them easily. Website Builder. This is a built-in e-commerce shop builder that allows you to create a beautiful branded storefront, perfect for selling your reading reports and audio reports. It's ideal for offering a smoother and more professional customer experience from browsing to checkout. Also, it's important to know that 100% of the revenue from your sales goes directly to you. Bodygraph.com does not take a cut from any of your sales. You simply pay for a monthly or annual subscription to use the platform, nothing more. We offer a 21-day free trial so you can explore the full system, test the features, and see if it's the right fit for your business. And if it's not for you, you can cancel anytime, no strings attached. Now, if you're working with a community, teaching students, or simply love what Bodygraph.com offers, there's a way to share it and earn from it too. We've created an affiliate program. You can find it by clicking on Become a Partner in your dashboard. As a partner, you'll receive 30% commission on every sale made through your referral link, whether it's a monthly or annual subscription. So, if you have students, clients, or followers who could benefit from Bodygraph.com, this is a great way to support their growth while also generating recurring income for yourself. Access our Help Center for step-by-step guides. Join our live webinars to learn how to get the most from the system. And if you're a developer, we provide API access to generate human design charts directly from your own tools or platforms. That's it. Thanks for watching this full walkthrough of Bodygraph.com. We can't wait to see what you create with it.